Getting your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube is like preparing a rocket to go to the moon. You need a lot of preparation and a lot of fuel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get 1,000 YouTube subscribers fast in 2019, 2020 and beyond, so you can build an audience that loves your content. Stay tuned to the end of the video to find out the one thing that you should absolutely avoid when you're trying to get 1,000 subscribers.
Hello, my name is Herman Drost. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos.
Why is it so important to get 1,000 subscribers on your channel? Number one, join the YouTube Partner Program. If you meet the requirements of the YouTube Partner Program of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, you can monetize your channel. When your channel has been enabled for monetization, you can begin showing ad banners on your YouTube videos and generating income. This is great because you're getting paid for your creative efforts. Number two, foundation for growth of your channel. Getting your first 1,000 subscribers is usually the hardest part of growing a YouTube channel. It's easy to get discouraged when you don't see a lot of people subscribing to your first few videos. Here are the steps to get 1,000 YouTube subscribers fast in 2019, 2020 and beyond. Number one, know your target audience. If you want to grow your channel fast, make videos that your audience wants to watch and that you enjoy making. If you create videos that you just enjoy but don't take into account the wants, needs and desires of your audience, your channel is not going to grow fast. In my case, I'm my own target audience, so it's easy to figure out what my target audience likes. My audience typically has the same questions as I have. Some of the best ways to tap into your target audience is to visit groups, forums, live streams, and even visit the comments in other people's videos. You'll soon notice the same types of questions that people are asking in your niche. Number two, keyword research. This is another great way to tap into your target audience because you're discovering keyword phrases that people are actively searching on in YouTube and Google. When you target the right keywords, your videos can show up in YouTube search, Google search, and YouTube suggested videos. If you want to learn how to do correct keyword research for YouTube videos using free and paid research tools, click the link in the card. Number three, create an engaging video. If you're just starting off on YouTube, I highly recommend keeping your videos short to just a few minutes because you haven't built up an audience yet on your channel. One of the top ranking factors on YouTube is watch time. This means if you can keep people watching all the way through your video or watching successive videos, YouTube will promote your video on other people's channels. Therefore, the first 10 or 15 seconds of your video has to grab people's attention. You can do this by asking a question, doing something entertaining, or teasing people about what's going to come at the end of your video. Make sure your main content dives deeper into what you presented in your introduction. End your video with a strong call to action by asking people to subscribe and give them a reason to subscribe. You can also ask people to subscribe at the beginning of your video, but make sure you give them a strong reason to subscribe to your channel. To keep people's attention throughout the video, you can ask questions, add B-roll, transitions, and graphics. The most important aspect of creating an engaging video is to present content that people want to watch. So if you present solutions to their burning problems, you'll gain a subscriber. Number four, optimize YouTube channel. Make it easy for first-time visitors to subscribe to your channel. You can do this by adding a subscribe watermark across all the videos on your channel. Click the link in the card to learn how to do this. Another way to gain subscribers fast is to optimize your About page. Make sure you outline the benefits of subscribing to your channel in the description on your About page. End your summary by asking visitors to subscribe and include a subscribe link. Another way is to add a subscribe link to your channel banner. You can add this when you're optimizing your About page. You can add up to 5 links on your channel banner. Another way to gain subscribers fast on your channel homepage is to create a channel trailer. Create a 1 to 3 minute video that outlines the benefits of subscribing to your channel. When your channel trailer video ends, YouTube automatically shows a subscribe button. Click the link in the card to watch my video on how to create a channel trailer. Number five, optimize your YouTube videos. As I mentioned before, add a subscribe watermark across all the videos on your YouTube channel. After you've uploaded your video, make sure you've optimized your title, description, and tags with the keyword phrase that you targeted in step 2. It begins with an attractive thumbnail because this is the first thing that visitors see in the search engines. The second most important feature is your title. So make sure you optimize your title both for the search engines and for your viewers. To do this, include your main keyword phrase that you researched at the beginning and include an emotional trigger that motivates viewers to click on your video. Include a subscribe link in the description of all the videos on your channel. Visitors often read the description while they're watching the video. You can also pin a subscribe link at the top of your comments. So when people go to make a comment, they'll see your subscribe link. Here's a power tip. Reply to the comments left by your viewers. Often visitors have questions in the comments, so you can reply by redirecting them to another video that answers their question. In that video, you'll ask them to subscribe. Most visitors don't subscribe just by watching one video, but if they watch successive videos in a row, they'll be more inclined to subscribe to your channel. Therefore, make it easy for them by including a link in your description and also in the cards of your videos. Number 6, promotion. After you've uploaded and published a video, your work has just begun. If you want to get more people to subscribe to your channel, you have to expose your video to different audiences. You can do this by submitting your video to different social media sites. Just click the share icon under the video and submit it to the social media sites you see listed there. If you have a website or blog, embed it on your blog. You can also upload a transcript of your video content so people who can't hear well or have the sound turned off can read the closed captions under your video. Number 7, check your traffic sources. If you study your traffic sources in YouTube Analytics, you can identify those videos which are getting the most views and subscribers. Instead of creating more videos on content that doesn't resonate with your audience, create more videos on what is performing well. So if you discover videos that are ranking well, getting lots of views and subscribers, create more of those types of videos. Here's a bonus tip. Be consistent. When you're trying to get your first 1,000 subscribers, you want to upload videos on a regular schedule. So if you only upload once a week, you'll only have 52 videos by the end of the year. However, if you upload twice a week, you'll have twice the number of videos on your channel. This will dramatically increase the number of people that will want to subscribe to your channel. What's the one thing you should absolutely avoid when you're trying to get 1,000 subscribers on your channel? The one thing you should avoid is asking sub for sub. When someone asks to subscribe to their channel because they subscribe to yours, they're not really interested in your content. It also goes against YouTube's rules and could result in the termination of your channel. Let me ask you an important question. Do you want to rank your video on the first page of YouTube so you can generate views and subscribers 24/7, year after year? If that's a yes, watch my next video. You'll discover how to get YouTube to promote your videos for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.